You think modern sharks are scary? You haven't met the king. This is Megalodon, a 50-foot monster that ruled the oceans. Its tooth was the size of a shovel. Its mouth could swallow a car. It didn't hunt fish, it hunted whales. One bite had the force to crush a tank instantly. For 20 million years, nothing could stop it, except the cold. The oceans cooled down, the whales moved to the poles. Megalodon couldn't follow. The king starved to death. But the ocean is 80% unexplored. Could it still be down there? Don't go swimming. Subscribe to Terra.